years of studying and doing practicals, 2 years working in London as a sous chef, working in South African restaurants as a head chef. 7 years I had my own coffee shop. And what do I have to show for it? Nothing. I'm a 43-year-old South African mom and I don't have anything behind me. No medical, no savings, no pension. For 20 years, I've been trading my time for money to make somebody else rich, to work on somebody else's dream. There are better ways out there to make money and still have family time. You get master resale rights on high in demand e-learning programs, which you can resell for 100% profit. Straight into your bank account, no middleman, no monthly cost. You don't need any skills, you don't need a huge following, and you don't need to bother friends and family. The automated system works for you even while you sleep. If you'd like to get your hands on this proven blueprint, which I'm following to build my online business, earn 100% profit in dollars in my bank account, put a yes in the comments and I'll gladly share.